Hi, Autumn.
Hi, good morning, everybody. I was just getting our Facebook Live set up, so we had some technical difficulties, which always happens, right? Once we get technological and stuff, something has to always happen. But everybody, thank you for being here this morning. We are starting off our virtual kickoff for our info days. So good morning. My name is Autumn Brown. Toyehegli Nishna Tachini Bashichin, my Dishkin Dashichet, Todachini Dashnella. So I am called orientation specialist, and I work within the outreach and recruitment department. So I'll be assisting today in hosting our first event for our info day. Okay, so we have a great agenda today and lineup of different staff who are going to be coming on and giving us some information about their department and yeah, just what's going on right now on campus within the different departments here. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with admission. So could we get the admissions?
Good morning, I'm here. This is Jaren with Admissions.
Okay, great, Darren.
Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. Yat Ebene, Shay, Jaren Benali Initiate, Swahan Initiative, it's Ani Bashis Chain, last year, Shuchezo, Swahan Initiative. I am the Diné College Admission Officer here at the Taylor main campus. I do have additional staff here. So just give a little background about myself. So I've been with Diné College for over 11 years. But within admissions, it's 5 years. So I'm originally from Wheatville. And so I do have staff. I do have Rianne Claw, she's the admission specialist. She is located here in Taylor. And then there's Andrea Begay. She's also located here at Taylor, and she's the admissions tech. And then we have Rochelle Henderson, which is in Shiprock. She's our admissions specialist. So altogether, there are 4 staffs within admissions. And what we do is I'm able to, am I able to share a slide?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Okay, so this is just pretty much like an overview about admissions. So what admission is responsible for is we review applications for admissions. We finalize your admissions to the institution, and we do notify students on their admission status. So when a student completes all their admissions requirements and documents, we do send them their acceptance letter, and then we assign the student to an academic advisor that will assist the students through getting their degree program and their degree checklist, and then get them registered for classes. So with admissions, we're also under the Office of the Registrars, and we work closely with them. And what the Office of the Registrars does do is they pretty much take care of students' records, and they also do course scheduling. They also do the scheduling of space for the courses. They also ensure that the graduation requirements are in place, and then they plan the graduation commencement. So they're pretty much responsible for grading, preparing transcripts and diplomas for students. So with our institution, our requirement is an admission application. If you're part of a federally recognized tribe, we require an official certificate of Indian blood, or if you have an enrollment card, we can take those, and then official high school transcript. And if you have attended elsewhere, we require that you submit your official college transcripts. Now, the application is online. If you visit our Diné College website, dinecollege.edu, and you go under the admissions tab, it's going to say apply online now. There is a few applications there and you're gonna select the ones that best fit you. So if you're a first-time student who graduated high school and hasn't attended any other institution, you'll do the first-time student application. If you're a student that has attended other institutions before going to Gwinnett College, you're considered a transfer student.
For helping.
And then, and then sort of, the official certificate of Indian blood. So we do run into issues where students only have that one certificate of Indian blood and they usually want to keep it. We do welcome that you complete what is called a CIB request form. You're welcome to fill that out and submit that to our office. What we then do is we send that to Vital Records. Then Vital Records sends us an official CIB. And if you're not part of a federally organized tribe, then we don't request for that document. And then your official high school transcript, we do need that because we have to be in compliance. So whatever is on the high school transcript as far as your class ranking, GPA, graduation date, those information are put into our system. So we do also have a high school transcript request form that a student can complete, and we can send that to your high school requesting for your official transcript. And then if you have attended elsewhere, we do require that you submit your official college or university transcript. This is due to, we want to make sure that we transfer in all your credits so that you don't have to retake a course. So let's say that you attended NTU and you took English 101. We want to make sure that we have those transcripts so that we can transfer those in so that you don't have to retake those courses or any other courses that are just similar. So that's where the official college transcript does come in. So the bottom one, additional info is required for bachelor programs. So we do have bachelor programs in BA Business Administration, BA Diné Studies, BA in Elementary Education, and BA in Multicultural Education, and then the master's program. Those ones usually require an additional program application that you have to complete and submit to the school. Then they're the ones that select you into the program. So what does happen is once we receive your application, we review your application, we issue you an ID. And then we, excuse me. So once you submit your application, we review your application and then we email you and then we do a follow-up call with you, letting you know that you need to submit these required documents. Once you have submitted them, then we send you your acceptance letter. And then within your acceptance letter, we do inform you that you need to schedule an appointment with the academic advisor so that they can sit down with you or talk with you over the phone and they get your degree checklist ready for you and then they register you for courses. So that's pretty much what our office does. And then just some contact information. So at Missions and Registrars, we do have our mailing address, which is PO Box CO2 and CO4. And all our mail does come here. And then our main office is here in Staley at the main campus. So the one-stop shop, the Student Union Building, that's where we're located. But if you are at any other centers, you're welcome to submit your documents there. And then they do send it here to Staley. And then I do have the contact number there to our office and then to the registrars. And then we do have our admissions email, which is admissions@GwinnettCollege.edu. I also put the registrar's email, which is registrars@GwinnettCollege.edu. And then our website. Okay, so that's pretty much admissions. I'm not sure if anyone has any questions.
No, I don't think that there was any questions. Thank you, Jaren, for that information. So next step, again, if everybody who is watching either on Facebook Live or is here on the Zoom, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat or send it in the comment section also within the Facebook Live. We are monitoring them and we will get to your questions as we are going. Okay, great. So that was admissions. Thank you. So next up, we have, the registrar's office. Could we have our next representative please come from the registrar's office?
Autumn, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is my first time joining on this, format. I don't see, Malcolm on the email, but I'll briefly go through what our office takes care of. From the office of the registrar, my name is Ellery Jim. I am the registrar specialist here at the One Stop Shop. We pretty much handle registration, enrollment, verifying the athletics. I prepare the course schedule for the summer, cancellations, new courses, modifications, also the fall course schedule. And we do take care of the web page when you log in on my DC portal. When you go to the course schedule, what pops up right there will be the academic calendar and the summer calendar, along with the course schedule for fall 24 and summer 24 sessions. We do take care of that web page. I also verify graduation. Students can petition now for graduation for the summer. This past spring, if they missed the deadline, and those that know already that they're going to finish in the fall, they can submit graduation petitions with the advisor. There is a $25 filing fee. As of today, I believe we have 20 that have filed for fall 24. And all information regarding course scheduling, diplomas, petitions, verification of enrollment, they can contact the registrar's office using the registrar at benecollege.edu tag. Something else new that's coming up this fall is I'm taking care of the rodeo team. And I do have Levine Black Mountain as the advisor to take care of the team this year. We have a strong group coming in, and right now I think we have 12 with 7 more pending. I believe the ones that are coming in, they are currently competing at the college national finals in the Wyoming. So we're trying to get the team situated. Any student or outside community that is interested in helping out for the college rodeo in October, they can contact myself in the registrar's office, Brandon DeGay, the athletic director, or Ed Holion, our rodeo coach. So any information, you can have them contact our office or through our email. We can let them know what we're planning this coming fall for the athletics. The cross country and the archery teams, we're waiting for the list to be forwarded to our office for confirmation and if they're going to be eligible to join the team. We will have meetings in the gym on all students that are interested in coming in. And I believe that's pretty much from our office of the registrar what we handle. There's myself, Malcolm, Bob is our registrar. Sheila Davis is our transfer evaluator. So any student that has transcripts coming in from other universities, colleges, they can forward that to the admissions office. From there, they move forward with it once the student is clear on that side, and the transcripts are forwarded to our office to be evaluated before they register for classes. And our receptionist that takes care of the front office and the one-stop shop is Janet Smith. And we do have one person at Shiprock campus, Julia Brigade, that handles our Shiprock to the City Crown Point section on behalf of the Shiprock campus. I believe other than that, everything is going good. We're getting a lot of registrations coming in for this fall. We are still currently taking summer session 2 registration, and hopefully we'll get everybody registered by our 21-day head count, which is scheduled for Monday, June 21st. So that's pretty much what I have from the office of the registrar. Thank you.
Great, thank you, Ellie. So everybody out there, if you have not signed up for session 2 summer or fall, you still have time to get registered. Thank you. Next up, we have advising. Could we get advising up?
Right to them. Can everyone see that? Okay. Okay. Yat Shay Rebecca Bennett Yanishya, Shay academic advisor in and at the Shiprock South Campus. I don't see Calvin on here, so I will give the advising a review of what we do and why we're here. So academic advising is the process between the student and an academic advisor by exploring the value of a general education, reviewing the services and policy of Diné College, discussing educational and career plans, and making appropriate course selections. So what takes place in an advising session is any questions that students have about course schedules, about degree plans, degree checklists. We have this conversation with students or any challenges they're facing and offer potential tools and skills and resources to those students that need those extra guidance. We also process like major modifications if students want to come in and change their major or just add a second major. And we also have those discussions with them on whatever questions they have about the specific degree change, and where we also talk about slightly about transfer stuff if they want to transfer to a different university or institution. We also go into some career details, but we also do have a career specialist now, so we refer students out to these different resources so they can take advantage of these resources on campus. Other things we do: register students for classes. Right now, summer and fall registration is in progress. Summer 2, which is summer session 2, and fall registration is in progress. So if you haven't registered yet for summer session 2 or fall 2024, right now is the time to do so. The sooner the better. It does get really busy, and all of the advisors, sometimes we don't get to all of the students. So the sooner you get in, the sooner you register for classes, and the sooner you get your course schedule. Other things we do: graduation petition. We also do that. Like Ellie said from Register, we help process those paperworks for them and for students and send them out to register for review and approval. So if you have graduation coming up, make sure to submit your degree graduation petition with the $25 fee. That's the fee right now. After the first deadline, that does increase up to $35, I believe. We also do drop-in ads with students, update checklists. And then if you want to meet with an advisor, we can meet with you in person through Connix Ed. You can schedule an appointment through Connix Ed. You can do telephone, in person, or video on Connix Ed. So I feel like that's the easiest, is going through Connix Ed, scheduling an appointment, especially if you're trying to reach an advisor through that DC advisors at DinetCollege.edu. We get a lot of email on a daily basis. So if you want that one-on-one, one way to do that is going through Connix Ed and scheduling that appointment, because once you schedule that appointment, it's specifically for you, that time slot. So it does have different selection of what kind of services you want. So I feel like that's the best way to do it if you really need to meet with an advisor, is scheduling an appointment versus going through DC Advisor. That's another great way. DC Advisors, every advisors in Dene College gets that email. We see all of it. And then we just serve students through there as well. Other than that, usually a session for an advising takes about 30 minutes to an hour. So just plan your time around that, 30 minutes to an hour. And if you have any questions, you can always put that in the chat and I can address that. Other than that, that's advising. If I missed anything, you can always ask the questions and hope we can answer that question. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you, Rebecca. Oh, we have Tamara, who is also going to come on to give some more information as well.
Okay, so hello, my name is Tamara Benali. I work at the Shiprock South Campus, but I am the student support specialist here at Dene College. So I oversee the Shiprock, Aneth, Newcomb, and Crown Point sites. And then my colleague, who is based at the Staley main campus, Kiana, she oversees the Window Rock and Tuba City sites in Arizona. And so the purpose of our job really is to support students throughout their academic journey, whether that be through if a student is seeking disability support, if they're a veteran student. We also provide academic advising to our students, but really the main focus of our job is to assist students who are identified on our early alert list. So if a student is failing at midterms, then we step in, we email every student on our list and provide them with tutoring service, any academic services they need. Also referral to our mental health coordinators here on campus. So really it's a case-by-case basis in getting our students to start either getting them through those services. Also, we work a lot with our academic probation and suspension students. So making sure that if they did file an appeal to get back on their financial aid, then we follow up with them through the semester to make sure that they're also receiving those same academic and wellness support services, whether that be on or off campuses. So that's a little bit of our duty, and also we provide disability support access to our students. So that is providing any reasonable accommodations to students seeking disability support services. So that starts with an initial intake application with our students. And then we sit down with the student and discuss our options. Then based off of that meeting, we provide different academic accommodations. Then advising any students seeking disability, we like to see them back in our office for any advising follow-up, registration for the next term. Also, we do provide bi-weekly follow-ups with those students that are identified on our disability support list to make sure that that their needs are being met, and any other issues that arise, we can talk about that during those sessions. And also the same would go for our veteran students here at Dene College. So if you have any other questions about student support services, then you can reach out to either myself or Kiana.
Great. Thank you, Tamara, for giving us that information. Next up, we have financial aid.
Hi everyone. Shay Vanessa Don Vermillion Inishia. Ashkahadzo Nishnigo Natlane Bashishchin. Ashklishni Dashache Auto Belagana Dashanella. So I'm located here at the Shiprock campus on the north side. Currently there are 3 of us in office, 1 here in Shiprock and then 2 in St. Lee. But I kind of go over a little bit of the info that we're kind of promoting right now and other information that we're encouraging students to either look into or apply for. And then, of course, if you have any questions along the way throughout the rest of the presentation, you can always send it to chat and like Autumn said, through Facebook, and then I can also reach out to you guys as well. So let me just share my screen really quick. Okay, so within financial aid, we always encourage students to complete their FAFSAs every award year. So if you are planning on attending in the fall of 2024, this would be the application that you would need to complete. So this can usually just be found, just quickly Google FAFSA. And then if it's your first time going into FAFSA, you'll need to create an FSA ID. And it's usually pretty good at walking you through. And if you have applied in the past before, essentially this time around, all you would need to do is just renew your application. And if you are planning on attending Diné College, as you're going through the application, this is going to be our school code here, 008246. And once you do complete your FAFSA, or if you ever have any issues, you can always give our office a call or send us an email. And it's a good way to have your FAFSA application reviewed, or sometimes students can run into issues along the way, and we can always step in and try to help you out as well. So again, if you do want to come in person, you can come here to the Shiprock North side, or you can go to the St. Lee campus for an appointment there. But I always tell students too, so once your FAFSA does get updated, or not updated, but uploaded and it's submitted, any updates regarding the status of that FAFSA will always be sent to your student email. So this will be like if you are awarded, or if we need additional documentation, or maybe you were selected for verification, we'll always contact you through your student email. So we're always encouraging you guys, make sure you check it often. Let's see, what's another thing too. So here is our contact information. We have Mariah Thomas as the financial aid officer. I myself am the financial aid advisor. And then we have Gabrielle Teatupe as the financial aid coordinator. And then listed below is also our phone numbers. So this is for the St. Lee campus. This is for the Shiprock campus. And then if you ever want to contact us, the easiest way will always be through our finaid@dinecollege.edu email. And this is just questions regarding anything at that point. But some other things, let me just kind of go back to this one. So, can everyone still see my screen? Okay, just came up with like a weird message on there. But so for the 2024-2025 application, it is going to be a little bit different from one's. Oh no, I think I froze. Or no, I'm still here. Okay. It's going to look a little bit different from the 23-24 version. So right now, I know that students are sending in their financial needs analysis requests. This is usually for like scholarships like ONSFA or AIS. We are asking students to also send to us, to this email, your confirmation email that you receive from FAFSA once you complete your application. So the moment you do that, just send it over to us. That way we're able to see your SAI number. And then that's how we're able to fill out the FNA. And then of course, if you have any questions or if you don't really understand what that means, you can just let me know too. And I can go a little bit more into detail. Another thing that I would like to talk about too is for scholarship opportunities for this upcoming fall. So the easiest way to find these scholarships is going to be through the DC homepage. So if you go to DC homepage, you click on admissions, and then there's going to be a little ribbon on the far right. If you click on scholarships, and then you go to the online scholarship portal, that's where you can log in and see what sort of scholarships can apply to you for that semester. So if it is your first time logging in, you'll use your DC email as well as your password to log in. And then if it's giving you issues right then and there, you can just let us know, and we can reset that account for you as well. But it's a really easy way to go in. You plug in all your information, like what degree program you're in, how many credit hours you're taking, all that good information. And then it'll automatically generate the scholarships for you after you answer the little questions. Yeah, so if you have any worries about that, just let me know. And then lastly, the one thing I want to promote too is also our work study opportunities through financial aid. So we both have New Mexico work study as well as federal work study. Federal work study is for Arizona residents, New Mexico work study, New Mexico residents. It's a really good opportunity as students where you can work a part-time job here at the school and also attend classes at the same time. So you're earning that little bit of income. You're having like a really good, I guess, work experience as well. And I guess personally, I think it's a really good opportunity because it's a very flexible work schedule, and we're always willing to help you out along the way. But again, any questions, just let me know. But yeah, I think that would be it for financial aid. Yeah, is there any questions, any burning questions that anyone has? Oh yeah, let me stop my share too.
Cool. Thank you, Vanessa. All right, everybody, if you have not filed your FAFSAs, make sure you guys get that completed. Super important. I always like to say there's a lot of money out there. We just need to go out there and find it. We don't want to be going to school for paying for our education, so let's take advantage of that. So next group we have up is our career education staff. Christina?
Hi, good morning. My name is Christina Valdez. I'm the Career Education Specialist here at Diné College in Saley campus. Can you hear me? Awesome. All right, so I'd like to go ahead and share my screen so I'm able to provide you some information. So hold on. Okay, can everybody see that? Awesome. No, not yet. Don't send. Okay, I'm getting a lot of error message like she was too as well. It keeps doing that. I'm sorry, I do apologize. I'm having issues with the computer connecting. It seems like. So. Can you still see my screen? Okay. Yes, can we go to FYE, please?
Yeah. Hi, Trisha. You are logged on. Can we go ahead and give some information about your first year experience?
Hey, good morning. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
All right, great. Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Trisha Roy. I am the first year experience specialist. And with me today, I do have my student intern, Cody Elliott. Is he here? Okay,
Yeah,
awesome.
I mean,
Okay, so good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for joining in our Facebook Live on our info day. So I did want to bring up a little bit of what I do. I am a Diné College alumni. I've been with Diné College for about almost 10 years and 3 years with FYE. I work with all incoming freshman students, so students who are graduating high school and who's looking in on registering for college. I would be your first contact. I am an academic advisor for incoming freshman students. I will be your academic advisor for 1 academic year. So if you're registering with me for summer, I'm with you all the way till next year summer. If you're registering with me for fall, I'm with you for the whole year until fall. My goal for you in the FYE program is to make sure you understand your degree checklist. So I usually sit down one-on-one with you and your parent if needed, and then showing you your degree checklist, what you're majoring in, and re-explaining what classes you need to do, talking about prerequisites, if needed, looking in at the future of maybe bachelor programs or transferring. So I try to get you in that, all those classes that are needed. I also help with online success. So showing you your MyDC portal, making sure you see Connects Ed, your My Diné College, your emails, Microsoft 365, and then of course, our newly introduced introduction for Canvas. We're looking at those and making sure you understand where to find all of those. But let's see. So sorry, my brain is all. Another thing I do with incoming freshman students is I do a lot of collaborations with different resource and programs. So you'll probably see me a lot with workshops with Peer Mentor Program, Early Alert, and Res Life. And I think this coming semester for summer and fall is Wellness Center. So you'll see a lot of emails coming from me showing you different resources and of course doing the workshops with planning. So showing you how to let's sit down, let's look at your planner. How do we do time management? How would we prioritize? A lot of the time, first-time freshman students have a hard time trying to adjust from sitting in a classroom for 8 hours and then you come to college and there's this whole new list of classes that you need to do. So your students will actually look at their course schedule and feel like there's a lot of time in between them because you have classes in the morning and then stretch into this evening or even just like one class during the day. So that's where we kind of come in and say, okay, just because your classes are throughout the week for Monday through Friday, you still need to put in your study time, personal family time, and your schedule will fill in. And that's where I kind of help you with those. Another workshop that I do is FYE check-ins, and I do this on Zoom. And it's basically just to check in with first-time freshman students. How are you doing with your classes? Is there any academic advising that you need help with? And this also gives a great time for students to come in and see who else is first-time freshmen and maybe creating study groups for those students. I think that's about it. I do social events. So our popular event still is Coffee and Convo, and we host those face-to-face here at Saley campus for our students, and I usually have them in the evening time. Coffee and Convo is something that a lot of students kind of come in, and it's not only for first-time freshman students, this is for all students across the board. We come and have coffee, pastries, donuts, and we just have a great time. And talk about what other tribal colleges are doing for that semester, what's trending across the board with tribal colleges and universities and other institutions. And we just have a great time just, talking about how to be successful as a college student. Cody, is there anything else that I need to add to that?
No, I don't think so. You covered it all.
All right. Does anybody have any questions about FYE program? If not, another great opportunity that I do want to share is FYE and Student Affairs is hosting a Summer Institute program this summer starting July 1st. So we are still accepting applications. You can find the application on the www.deneccollege.edu, and you click on the apply now. And then at the very end of that page, you'll see the Summer Institute application. And Summer Institute is for brand new graduating high school students in Arizona who are looking at wanting to have that great college experience and just a jump start on your degree checklist. So we are offering English 101 and a Navajo 101 course. So these students will be staying on campus. The great thing about our Summer Institute program, it is a paid program. So your room and board, meals, tuition, and books are paid for. All we ask is a 5-week commitment to our program and passing your English 101 and a Navajo 101 course with a C or above. We are looking at 30 slots. So if you want to stay on campus, this might be a great opportunity for you. We are open for commuters. So if you're living in the local area and you don't feel like res life isn't something you want to do for now, you can commute on and off campus with the Summer Institute program. And this was a great way to get started on a lot of your courses, and especially that English 101, which is a prerequisite to a lot of different courses. We will have tutors and mentors paired with you to ensure that passing grade. This would be my 3rd year doing Summer Institute. And last year we had about an 80% passing percentage. So that was pretty good for our Summer Institute cohort last year. And I believe that's about it. Cody, did you have anything to add to that?
No, I don't.
All right, great. Of course, if anybody has any questions, definitely first-time freshman students, you can call 928-724-6855, and that's to our receptionist desk. And let's get set up and get you registered for summer session 2 or looking at the fall semester. And for returning freshman students, definitely use your Connects Ed and schedule appointments with me.
Great, thank you, Trisha. That is some great information for us. Parents, if you're out there listening in, students, if you guys have anybody who just graduated, have them get into that Summer Institute program. It's a great program, and I know we're going to have fun with that. All right, so we have Christina who's back online. We're going to get her going with the adult education program. Christina?
Yes.
Okay. We are getting your presentation posted.
Okay, I'm sorry about this.
All right.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for your patience. I do appreciate that. If you can go down to the first, yes, slide 2. All right. So we are the career education. Our programming is to help all available students at Diné College. The program is funded by the U.S. Department of Education, and we're utilizing Title III grant. The primary purpose of the career education is to assist Diné College students with expanding their job skills and to help explore and secure employment after graduation. We'd like to make sure that our mission here is to aim at promoting career exploration, identification, engaging, and advancement to Diné College students. The career education team will offer internships, opportunities, professional development services to prepare students for the real world work experience going out there. We have a program called the Ascendium Internship, which allows us to place students while they're going to school within an internship within the departments that they're specifically based in with their graduating services, and then and career focus for what they develop in each department that we put them in. So they're able to earn $15 an hour for 20 hours a week, for a total of like 6. This program is 9 weeks. The next program will be 13 weeks. Our goal is to make sure that we give educational material and workshops to help develop those opportunities and those connections to students who need those connections outside of Diné College to get a job or are able to solidify their career opportunities. We do career readiness trainings, which is basically trainings that have our students that do not get the education such as finance, understanding, or budgeting, or understanding on how to create an email or things like that. We offer interview skill trainings. We also mock interviews, and we make sure that they're prepared before they leave. Can you go up to the first slide, please? Number 1. So the way to reach us while they're doing that is to reach out to us at Diné College. Our services are, any student can email us at careeredu@diné.edu, and it will go to one of us, which is going to be Natalie Dinespi, which is our career education coordinator, myself, the career education specialist, Dwayne Johnson, who works out of Shiprock, as a career education specialist, and then Camille Mejia as a career education advisor. We have open hours that our students can walk in and discuss any opportunities that they need. We also do posting of job opportunities on our outside during our career services, and we are located at the Student Service Building on the Saley campus as for us. With that being said, in order for you to apply online, they just go to, like they're going to apply for any job, go to dinecollege.edu/careers, and then you're going to submit an application and we'll be able to interview you for those jobs opportunities. We are running the Ascendium internship program this semester and then fall semester and summer semester of next year. And we have it up to at the end of 2025. With that being said, these are the minimum requirements, as you can see. And then we also work with work study and allow them to get into job opportunities as well. Any questions or concerns for our department?
No, it doesn't look like there's anything. Thank you, Christina.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Let's take advantage of these services that are being offered through our career education department. Again, an internship and then also some great valuable skills that'll help you getting after you graduate. All right, so we are going to go into information about our orientations or our new student orientations.
Hey, yat she Crystal White Nishia. Owethana Nishle Jose Touching Ebashishchin. I am the college orientation specialist as well as my counterpart there, our wonderful host Autumn Brown. You know, we tackle NSO for our students, especially our new students, our transfer students, and our students that are planning to return. And so for orientation, you know, we have been conducting more one-to-one to small group sessions. And so with those opportunities, you know, we go through the, let's see, I'm trying to share screen. Okay, we share, you know, different types of strategies, you know, to keep the student, you know, to provide those information to students on how to navigate, you know, since we transitioned into Canvas, for example. We also inform you of the different types of programs that our institutions offer to you, such as our tutoring services at our Learning Center, internship opportunities, you know, and so we're collaborating a lot with our team, you know, throughout our campuses and our centers that we do oversee. And so, you know, many students, you know, always wonder, you know, what are the benefits of attending orientation? Do I have to attend orientation? You know, are the common questions that we do receive. And so, you know, the benefits of students attending orientation is that, you know, you'll be more prepared, you know, for your semester, and you'll have the confidence, you know, to navigate the many apps that we use as students. You know, and so orientation is still in progress for summer session, and then we're going to be kicking off our fall semester as well. More information will be forthcoming on when we'll be conducting the large group sessions as well. And so, but if you have any questions, you know, feel free to reach out to Autumn or I. You know, our information is there on the screen, or you can just contact recruitment as well, and we'll be able to assist you in that manner. But other than that, though, you know, welcome and thank you for attending our info day today.
Yeah, for sure. Reach out to either one of us, Crystal and I, and get more information. We want you to be as prepared as you can be coming back onto campus, getting back into classes. I want you to have that information with you as you continue your educational career here at Diné College. So our next group of people we have coming up is the Learning Center.
Hello, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Sonia Smith. I am the Learning Center Manager. My clients, Patnazat Ninin Schlet, Obaha Bashichin, Kuzafana Dashichaluk Adana Egg Dashanalip. So I'm the Learning Center Manager. Can you see my screen okay?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So here at the Learning Center, our mission is to ensure student support services to enhance student learning. We can be contacted by phone or email. You can find our contact information on the Diné College website. under the new students tab, and then you scroll down on the right-hand sidebar to Learning Center. You can also find us on Connex Ed, My DC Portal, My Diné College, and pretty soon we will have a course shell on Canvas. We're also located in the Student Union Building on the Saley campus in room 122, right next to the One Stop Shop. We are open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And so this is our staff and tutors. There's me. I can be contacted through Connex Ed. You can just go to knock on my door, or you can give me a call. My phone number's there, my email's there, if you need to reach out to me. And then next we have our tutor, Shekinah.
Okay. Hi, I'm Shekinah. The professional math tutor here at the Learning Center. I'm currently working on my BS in biology. I tutor in math, bio, chemistry, education, I think 2 courses of business, a couple of environment courses, and physics. So the best way to contact me is you can call the front desk at the Learning Center, or you can email me. Other than that, I'm usually on Connex too, so yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Sorry, and then we have our other tutor. He is located in the Shiprock campus. That's Lambert Martin. I'm not sure if he's on right now. I don't see him. But Lambert can help with writing. He can also do proofreading of papers. So you can contact him there through Connex Ed by the phone number or directly to his email. And then next we have Nolan Whitewater, who is our office coordinator.
Good morning, everybody. At a Nolan Whitewater initiative. Ashihin Shlom be between Bushes Jeans and Najini Dashe Adoye in that Kachin International. Like Sonia was explaining, here's my contact information. I can be reached through Connex Ed, my phone number, and also email as well. I do also tutor in Navajo courses and business courses. Through that, I recently graduated here at Diné College with my bachelor's in business administration.
Thank you, Nolan. And then next we have our student intern, Liz.
Hi guys, can you guys hear me? I'm Liz, I'm an intern at the Learning Center. For the most part, I help out with math tutoring. Yeah.
Thank you, Liz. So those are our staff and interns now. We're hoping to hire more tutors. So if you would like to join us here at the Learning Center, you can go to the Diné College website, go to careers, and we are hiring for a professional writing tutor and also a professional up here Navajo language tutor. So we also offer free services to students. We have one-on-one tutoring. You can do it in person or online via Zoom. We also have a free printing service for the Saley campus. And we also have the proofreading Dropbox. You can access these through the Connex Ed. If you scroll down to our contact information, right above our contact information, we're going to have these 3 buttons. And you can just click on them and it'll take you directly to where you need to go. And then schedule tutoring or your free printing service or your Dropbox. We can also be found on My DC Portal. We can also be found on the main website, or you can just email us at learningcenter@dinécollege.edu if you have any more questions or need a little bit more clarification. We also have access to our ALEX math placement. So ALEX is the assessment and learning in knowledge spaces. So this is what all of the math courses are going to be on. ALEX is a learning platform. So we can help students navigate this. We also have codes that we give to new students who are wanting to do the math placement. Let's see.
Yeah, we
So
also have Amanda here with us today too, who can share more information.
Yeah,
about-
Amanda can definitely share more information. And then I have her contact information at the bottom. And I'll let them share a little bit more about what they do. Okay, let's see. And so then we also do academic workshops. So in the past, we've done workshops for Math 106, going over number bases, kinematics, how to write lab reports, critical thinking games. We've also done workshops for MLA and APA. These can be found on Canvas once we get that up and running, or you can email us and then we can send you that information as well. We also have our student resource guides that can also be found on my DC portal. And then again, once on Canvas, once we get that up and running. We also have student success workshops, how to read a syllabus, how to write a professional email, study skill strategies. We have a workshop today at 2 p.m., how to strengthen your academic journey. Please join us. We have our Zoom contact, or you can come in person. And I have dropped the flyers in the chat. So these are some of our past events where we've done info booths and help students within our learning center. So a couple of our past workshops have been writing workshops with Shania Nez. We've also invited writer Amber McCrary, who is from Avalon Mountain Press. And we've also done some workshops on recycling, like how to make Plarn, and also helping with vision boards and things like that for students. We also have a calendar that we put out each month, so you can see all of the events that we're hosting. Next week, we'll be having a math study session at 2 p.m. here in the Learning Center. And then the week after that, we'll be doing a workshop on study strategies and hosting a film at the end of the month called Critical Thinking, and it's going to be about chess players. So that's all about all the information I have. I want to leave you with a good quote. The beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take that away from you. So if you have any questions or you need to speak with me later on, here's our contact information, and thank you.
Great, thank you, Sonia, for that. Yeah, we have the Learning Center. I think that is a really a great space because we have a bunch of people who are there, who are literally waiting there for you to come through and get some more information, pick up some more tutoring skills, and get help with your schoolwork. So next up, we have our dual credit program.
Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi. My name is Erica Johnson. I work with the dual credit program with SAILI. She Kurajini Nisha, Bipitoni Bashishin, Kabanda Shiche do Hanagani Dashanella. I am the dual credit specialist within the SAILI Center. I am late today. I'm sorry. I'm here at the convoy with Tuba City, but basically our program offers dual credit within the high school with our partnering schools. Right now we have several schools on the reservation and off the reservation. There is criteria. I just want to say welcome to Dene College today. I hope you guys all have a good experience, and yeah, welcome to Dene College. I hope to see you guys around campus. When you guys see me, just say hi. We're very mobile. We're everywhere. So today we're in Tuba. So I do apologize. I got to get back out there with the students. Thanks, Autumn.
Yeah, thank you, Erica. So our dual credit program is covering different school, high school programs. So this is in Pinyon, Mini Farms, Wind Rock, the Deep School in Navajo, Tuba City. And I believe we have a few more also that we are partnering with right now for our dual credit program. So if we have students who are out there in high school who would definitely, in one of these high schools, let's get them signed up. Let's get them some credits while they are in high school. So that way they're coming straight to the college or any other institution with some credits already with them. So that's another great opportunity our institution is offering for us. So our next group of people we have to present for us is our IT department, but I do not see them logged on right now. So we are going to go ahead and skip ahead to our resident slide. Tanea.
Hello. I was unaware of the whole presenting thing, but hi there. Hi everyone, my name is Tanea. Last name is Balone. And I work with Residence Life. I'm the Residence Life coordinator. And what I do on my end is basically oversee the student resident advisors, also oversee and assist with residents life students who are in the halls, and then also student family housing residents also at family housing. As of today, we have currently 44 students in the hall that we have for summer session 1 and 2. And then we have programs coming in for the summer. Right now we have Shrep here for their cohort. And we have ISEP coming in, which is the high schoolers, just like Summer Institute, but it's more for the program under public health. So ISEP is coming in Thursday, I believe, and then we have 4 or 5 more groups going through the halls this summer. What I do on my end is take data reporting based off of what we have for the students, not just for the students, but also like incidents, the count of what hall meetings they're hosting, in general. What I typically do is answer phone calls, assist with, housing apps, answer questions based off the housing apps for family housing and for Residence Life area. Right now, Residence Life has 2 resident advisors, Marissa and Gabriel Tahi, and we have 2 student interns with us as well, Shartana and Alden. These 2 students are also overseeing Residence Life office as well as the resident advisors. We currently have, like I stated, we currently have 44 students in the halls as of right now, but we are still accepting family housing apps and Residence Life hall apps for fall semester. And I just want to state to everybody, if you're getting phone calls or in general, questions about Residence Life and the student is 17, just let them know that they have to be 18 years and older to apply for Residence Life. We do not accept 18 years and younger students based off the Residence Life handbook, and also it's on our Residence Life application as well. We still are all accepting their COVID-19 vaccinations, so we're still accepting those. We also needed yearly updated background check. Their class schedule, they must be full-time to be current students to be in the halls. And their 150 security deposit is also what we're seeking on our end. So if you get students who are just asking typically questions based off of Residence Life in general, then you would just pass that information on, or you can have them call us at 928-724-6782 or 6799 or 6783. That's all our extension. So yeah, as of today, I was unaware of this whole info thing. I was just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna jump on. So I jumped on. Can you get that for me? So yeah, right now, what we're working on are student activities and events for residence life. Typically just for the halls and also family housing side. And I have students who are a part of the halls, but they're also in internships areas. So that's great to know. If there's anything that I need based off of what's being said, then if there's anything I'm missing, just go ahead and ask me. But as of right now, that's all the information I have. You can also let the resident or the student know, the potential student know that that the application for housing is also online for student family housing and also for fall housing. So yes, that's pretty much it.
Great, thank you, Tanea. Okay, our next department that is going to be sharing information is the Wellness Center. So Isaac, go ahead and take.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. Isaac Martin Yenishia, Totoni Nishle, Turich Ini Bashichin, Tilchin Dashachina, Kaidina Dashinada, Turich Ana Nashan, Nakajagadashigan. My name is Isaac Madsen. I am the Student Activities Specialist here at Diné College at the Saley campus. I work for the Wellness Center, and our Wellness Center is a pretty amazing team. I'm very fortunate to work with some really great peoples. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. Cool. Awesome. So with the Wellness Center, what we try to focus on is we focus on preventative health. We have what that includes is physical health, spiritual health, mental health. So if you notice, we have a lot of activities that are happening currently in June, and this is only June. So we're still planning activities for July, August, September, October. So these will just keep happening. And right now, during the summer, we have some really fun activities happening. Right now, we just had our Mindful Mondays, which is a wellness walk. You can see videos on Facebook. Actually, if you're viewing this on Facebook, you can see the videos of our Mindful Monday trail walk. Today, there'll be a hydration workshop, and that's run through our Health Promotion and Education program. And the Health Promotion Education program is a Title III program, and that is run through Kamika Yazi, and she works with fitness as well as physical activities, and she tries to promote healthy eating and nutrition and everything. So coming up on Tuesday, we'll have other nutrition demos, and these are kind of for students to offer to kind of give you more opportunities to learn how to treat yourself. And like I said, we concentrate on preventative health. So we have, like I said, mental health, yesterday, mindful exercises, today, hydration, next week, nutrition. And at the same time, we also concentrate on spiritual health. So a lot of our activities are based upon the Diné philosophy of education. So I do a lot of thinking, planning, reflecting. We also, the living part as well is what we try to exercise. And we also have a sweat session coming up today. Right now we have Johnny Baya, who is the Navajo and Native American education and cultural specialist. So he's able to help you with Navajo culture and language. So if you have any questions about those, you can stop by the Wellness Center. The Wellness Center is located on Oak Hall over here on the Saley campus. We have some great things at the Saley campus. So not only do we concentrate on activities, but we also have a really fun place for everybody to attend. We have air hockey, billiards, as well as foosball. We have a movie room. We have computers available for anybody who needs access to that. We have a working kitchen. We also try to have study sessions as well for everybody. So there's a lot of opportunities. And then we just started the Student Wellness Adventures program. So that'll be happening Thursdays and Fridays in June and July. So what that is, we'll have The 6th and 7th, there'll be a trip to Grand Canyon. And then the next week, we have some rafting trips coming up in Durango. So students are welcome to sign up for those. And like I said, this is just for June, so we still have activities happening in July as well. So if you attend Diné College, there are a lot of opportunities, and this is just summer. So fall, we have a lot more opportunities for people to attend. We have bike trips. We have all these kind of different activities and stuff. So again, my name is Isaac Madsen. I am student activity specialist here at the Wellness Center, and the Wellness Center is located in Oak Hall on the Saley campus. And you can contact us at wellness@dinecollege.edu. Our number is 928-724-6869. And we are open Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We are open on Fridays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we are currently closed on the weekends, but that might change in the future. But right now, with our staffing, we do have really good company and everything like that. Okay, anything else from me? Cool.
Great. That's a lot of fun information. You guys are definitely doing a lot this summer. And we want to go. All right. Next up, our Warrior Parent Success Initiative.
Hello, good morning. Say Ashley John Inishla, touching Inishla, Tatnazani Bashichi, Nalkedana, Dashiche, Torichi, oh, I'm sorry, Howaslana, Dashanele. I get mixed up. Little story about that was my whole life. My Nellies were the ones who taught me my clan. So my Nellies clan, he taught me differently. So I get mixed up with that a lot of times. But good morning. I am the Warrior Parent Success Manager here at the Shiprock South Campus. And just to briefly go over what the program does. Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay. So the Warrior Parent Success Initiative program, what I try to do, or basically for the college, is to extend services to student parents enrolled at the Shiprock and Tuba City campuses. So we were actually funded under the Ascend Aspen Institute, and that ended. However, we did get a no-cost extension. So I'm trying to figure out ways to help out our students both at Shiprock and Tuba City. So what we do is develop curriculum and activities for student parents. So try to get them on campus and kind of have that college life, if you want to put it that way, to where they can actually fit in as well with their kids along their side. So basically sustain programmatic innovations through staff development and institutional policies. So trying to figure out ways to kind of ease our student parents, guide them through, their academics while, having their kid with them. So trying to create another way around policies, or even try to change policies so their children are allowed on campus as well. And then increase educational attainment for student parents of the Navajo Nation. So bringing in outside resources such as the WIC program, pediatrician specialists, and just other programs that are able to come in to present to our student parents about, what other resources are out there. So they're able to, help themselves out with that. We did do a survey with our student parents, and the three main things that was a big challenge or a barrier for them were food insecurity, childcare, and time management, pretty much. So next bulletin, contribute to economic flourishing and personal well-being of student parents who participate. And then the last, work with student parents to find local resources to accommodate barriers. So right now with the program, we do have a food pantry here located at the Shiprock South Campus, that is located in my office. So student parents, they're more than, able to come in, feel free to take what you need and, go from there. So my contact information, is very brief. I'm in the classroom building, room 115 at the Shiprock South Campus. My phone number is 368-3661, and then of course my email's below. Right now, we are collaborating with our student orientation specialist, Crystal, with some of the activities that are going to be happening this summer. So that's pretty much what we have planned. And then I am trying to collaborate with the behavioral health specialist here in Shiprock and Tuba City to do or to conduct workshops, hopefully starting this at the end of this month. And then I want to say during fall semester, this program will actually open to all campuses. So the main goal for this is just to try to create a student parent support group. So if there's any student parents that need support, or if you want to be a part of this program, go ahead and contact me either by my phone number or email as well. So thank you.
Great. Thank you, Ashley, for sharing the information. Okay, next we have Ambrose. Ambrose works with our student mental health.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm trying to get my video to work. It's not working for me. My name is Ambrose Oliver. I'm the mental health coordinator here in the Shiprock branch. I'm new to this. I started in March and had some health problems. I was out for a bit and I just started back again last week. So this kind of came as a little bit of a surprise to me. So as you can see there on the screen, we're here to provide wellness support and sound referral process for counseling for the students. I'm here to assist the college students with resources, service referrals, and support needed to thrive as they transition into the beginning of college life. We aim to provide students with accessible information to support their mental health journey and overall college experience. I plan to have trainings covering mental health and mental health wellness. Basically, if a student needs help, we refer to local behavioral health resources in the Shiprock area, what they're comfortable with. I hope to have a mental health first aid training here soon. I'm reconnecting with some agencies that I had been talking to before I took an absence here. So, and I'm trying to get coordinated. Sorry, my presentation is short and sweet, but my phone number is 505-368-3628. And also my email is on the slide. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me now, or you can email me. And I understand they hired another mental health coordinator out in Saley who is starting on Monday. I can't recall his name right now. So that's it for mental health with Dannett College.
Thank you, Ambrose.
I hope I didn't talk too fast. I'm a little bit nervous. I've done presentations before, but they're in person. I've never done it on Zoom. This is actually my first time doing a Zoom presentation, but hopefully I get more comfortable talking and whatnot. And also kind of a little freaked out because I heard Facebook Live and a little, I keep my identity off the social media, but I guess this is the start for me to come out and start speaking more. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to ask me, or you can email me or call me.
Great, thank you, Ambrose. You did great.
Thank you.
Okay, next we have our peer mentor program. I think I saw some of the peer mentors that were logged on earlier. But Brandon, go ahead and tell us about your program. Okay, I guess we will wait a bit on our peer mentors. Lori, would you like to share information about your school transformation?
Yes. Okay. Well, first of all, I was like trying to wait. I was like, I wonder if they're going in circles or if they're going like down the departments or if they're going alphabetical order. Well, good morning, everybody. My name is Lori So. My clans are Kishwachini Ishla, Batani Bashichin, Kachini Dashache, and Zishklatni Dashanella. I am originally from Lakajigay. I've been with the college for a little over 6 years. I'm the professional development coordinator. Let me share my screen here in a little bit. Let me Lori, you're on mute. Thanks, guys. Here, okay. Rewind. Okay. Our team of school transformation is Timothy Nelson. He is the Dean of School Transformation, and that is his contact info. That is myself there, the professional development coordinator, along with our new hire, who is Danielle Jelly. She is our new administrative assistant. So with a school transformation, I'm just going to read off right here. The school transformation is a non-degree seeking certificate and certification program that seeks to provide professional development, continuing education units, CEUs, training programs, and self-interest course. Our partnerships are with Purpose Focus Alternative Learning and ProTrain, which is an education as a service provider. I do believe that we do have Derek here, who's an instructor for our Purpose Focus. I'll give him the floor here. So again, our collaborating partners are with Purpose Focus, Alternative Learning, and ProTrain. Derek, are you still online?
Yes, good morning. Yeah, we're on.
Okay, so go ahead.
Just so we also have Mr. Raymond Yellowman, the other instructor as well.
Tuba City, Western Agency. Thank you.
And then Derek teaches out of the Window Rock
Window Rock. Yep.
campus.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. And then I'm Joanne, the CEO of Purpose Focus. Yeah, they have been everyone. Thank you, Lori. I'll turn it back over to Derek.
So Derek, can you please share us with what our solar technician is about with Purpose Focus?
Okay. So Yate, Shea Senji Kaneshna, Tachitni Buses Chin, Sidna Genies are my Chades, and Kithli Chinis are my Nollies. Born and raised in Denver. I'm teaching over solar at the School of Transformation and Diné College. It's a solar installation and design program. It's PV 101 and 203. 203 is pretty much our off-grid systems, where we do battery-based and off-grid installations and designs. Yep, and I've been in the solar for a little over like 3 years now, and this is my second semester teaching at Diné College. And our program is pretty much giving you the solar fundamentals, the theory, and how things work, the components to use. That's the design part of it. And then we're also working with some hands-on business industry partners in the Phoenix area. And so yeah, and we kind of want to create some more hands-on projects for our students. So yeah, so that's kind of like what the program is about. And yeah, and I teach in Windrock, kind of in the Windrock campus area. But yeah, I think they heard me.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you, Derek. So with Skill Transformation, this is our website, and if you're all out there and if you are interested in a certificate and certification program, you can go ahead and scan this QR code. It will lead you to our SOT website, and when you get to the website, you will definitely find our Purpose Focused Alternative Learning tab, our Pro Train tab, our Nomination Workforce Development, which we are also in partnership with, and because they are our funding resource. And again, with our program, it is a certificate and certification program. It is non-degree. I have to reiterate that because a lot of students are trying to fill out their FAFSA, hoping that they would get some federal funding or financial aid, Pell Grant, along with to pay for these programs. But these courses are at your own expense. However, there are resources to help fund these courses, and that's where Navajo Nation Workforce Development comes in, and they lend a hand. And it takes about 6 to 10 weeks to get the process going with Workforce. But what Workforce does offer their assistant, you'll get your hands-on training, paid for, your gas and mileage along with the course. If we do offer childcare and housing, that will be with that as well. You just gotta talk to your counselor during that time.
So Lori, could you also, if it's okay, have Don introduce himself as the Tuba City instructor?
Oh yeah, go ahead, go for it, Don.
Okay, yes, yani ben yani şey Daniel menin şiiro da şlini tana happetlin şlino san baş şindo honda kapaçı. Yeah, so now we're at entering our third semester at Tuba City campus with solar. And so so since probably the 90s, I've been kind of off and on took some classes with SCI in Colorado, Solar Energy International. So we're glad to now expand to Winter Rock, and we're I think looking forward for bigger and better things. So thank you very much. Okay.
And Lori, just if I may, you know, we're hoping to get as many recruits as possible within our program, so that the workforce continues to grow. The workforce has been growing for 3 years, and Diné College School of Transformation took it on, and with its former provost. And that being said, you know, there are still the challenges and the you know, sort of like the wrinkles in the sheet that are just getting ironed out. But I want to thank Diné College and the School of Transformation and the team for supporting the program thus far and helping us to build that workforce, which is an emerging clean energy economy that's upon us. And solar energy is an important component to helping our people get the jobs on the nation and helps deliver these systems
Oh, no. I think you need to put another quarter in. But yeah, just to reiterate what she was saying is, Purpose Focus is the Nest Solar training, and it is offers, during the day, but I believe that they're going to start offering it in the evening as well too. Their primary focus is to have solar power on the Navajo Nation, and right now they're targeting is getting solar power for our veterans. Along with this, there are two courses, PV 101 and PV 203. Those courses are at your own expense. Again, there are funding resources, but prior to that, we do encourage students and potential participants to take 3 different courses: SAI, Renewable Energies 100 and 101. Those are free courses, and they are very helpful before you even start the course too. So I hope she logs on here, but that's pretty much of what Purpose Focus is about. But with ProTrain, we have over 300 certificate programs, and the costs do vary. They do vary. They do have payment plans, no credit checks, nothing. Let's see, but we are piloting one pharmacy tech out in Shiprock. So if you want to become a pharmacy tech, we are doing a pilot program at Shiprock campus. You'll take courses, and then you'll do some hands-on activities, training with Shiprock campus. But we are in the works of getting it students to get their training at their nearest IHS. We are going to look into Delcon, Winslow, and Kayenta area as well too. So we are in the mix. But I do invite everybody for this Friday, June 7th, to join our webinar, School of Transformation, and we will have both of our collaborating partners there, Purpose Focus and ProTrain. Again, this is going to be a discussion and insights of more in depth of the program. If you have questions and if you want to get started, this will be the time to, let us know and get you guys enrolled. With ProTrain, these are the 2 flyers are out and about right now. We do have train for a career in technology. So if you're into, like the cybersecurity, JavaScript, information technology, they also have those courses as well. And then we have our healthcare opportunities as well. Like I was mentioning, pharmacy tech training, it does include the assessments of training, national certification, exam vouchers. All of these are included with the pharmacy tech training that's happening in Shiprock this coming fall. With Purpose Focus, we do offer Purpose Focus solar technician certification at Window Rock and Tuba City. We are looking at Crown Point and Shiprock as well. Let's see, the QR code here, when you apply here, you can apply with Purpose Focus directly with their website. The benefits of Purpose Focus is that you do get hands-on training, workshops, externships, partnerships with workforce development, and an $80 honorarium with paid travel. But you have to put into work by finding what funding resources you can get to pay for these courses at the beginning. Then in return, you'll get a bigger help. If there's any questions, you can definitely contact us here back with myself, Tim, or Danielle. Our emails are there. We will be hosting a continental breakfast style on June 21st. This will be a great time for you guys to learn and see where we're located at. We are located at the FOB building 6plex. The entrance is going to be on the west side. So I do invite you guys to come over on June 21st. All right. Well, thank you guys for letting me have this time.
Thank you, Lori, and everybody who shared information within the School of Transformation. It is very great to have had all of you guys here. And also everybody else who presented.
Autumn, I think Joanne wants to wrap up on her end.
Okay.
Go ahead, Joanne.
Oh, gosh, I didn't. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Yes. Yeah. Hey, everybody. You know, the three of us are here because we're actually preparing for an installation tomorrow for a veteran loop. And so we're kind of having our students participate in that training from both campuses. So what's really exciting about our program is beyond theory is that as Lori mentioned, is the hands-on component, because there's no sense in going through the program if you can't get the experience. Experiential learning is key to the certification program because it not only gives them the expertise in theory, but actually application. And that's where we're looked at in other organizations and institutions at this program because
Thank you. I don't know. I apologize for her internet connection, but thank you for letting us have this time.
Yeah, thank you, everybody, for participating in today's event and being here with us today. So today, like I said in the beginning, today really marks off our info days that are set for Tuesday and Thursday throughout the whole month of June. So we are going to continue with our events. This was our first and only virtual event. So if you're going to continue to be joining us, if maybe there's a site near you, head over to the campuses and come see all these departments in person. And we will also have a lot of institutions available to thank you, Crystal. All these institutions around us who can come and set up a booth as well. So if you know anybody who needs to get out some information, whether it's employment, information about their program, have them give us a call. Our number is there. And then also email us recruitment@deneccollege.edu to get a booth set up. But we will see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for joining in. Everybody on Facebook, thank you for attending the event and taking this time out of your day to learn some information about our schools. But if that is it, thank you, everybody, for being here. Everyone have a great day.